Good morning. Over the next few days, the weather's going to remain fairly settled. For most of us, it will be dry with sunny intervals, but we are expecting some rain, especially in the west, this weekend. I'll have all the details coming up.
Carol?
Good morning, John and Sal. Good morning to you too. For some of us, it's a nippy start to the day. We've had a touch of frost across parts of northeast Scotland, but for the next few days, the weather is going to remain settled. It will be mainly dry. Yes, there'll be a few showers in the forecast, and it's going to be a little bit warmer than it has been. And if it's rain you're looking for, some western areas could see that later on Friday into Saturday. Now, high pressure is still firmly in charge of our weather, but it is slowly drifting eastwards, but still exerting its influence on us and effectively keeping weather fronts at bay in the Atlantic. So as we go through the rest of the day, the mist and fog continuing to lift from overnight. We've still got a few showers across some eastern areas and some showers coming in across the east of England in towards the Midlands. A lot of them will fizzle, and for many we'll end up having patchy cloud and sunny intervals. But one thing you will notice is the breeze if you're in the southeast of the country or the northeast, because here it is quite brisk. Temperatures today ranging from 14 in the north to 18 or 19 in the south. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, again, we're looking at some clear skies. We'll also have some mist and fog patches forming across the Vale of York, northwest England, parts of Northern Ireland, parts of Scotland, and we hang on to that brisk breeze in the northeast and the southeast. Temperatures overnight falling away in towns and cities between 6 and about 8 degrees quite widely, but locally, once again, in sheltered glens, you can see temperatures drop to freezing or maybe just a bit below. So once again here, we're prone to a touch of frost first thing in the morning. Then as we head through Thursday, you can see how the centre of the high pressure has drifted off to Scandinavia, but still we've got this ridge across us. So that means still fairly settled conditions. So on Thursday, we'll start off with some mist and fog. That will lift. It's going to be a largely dry day with sunny spells. Some high cloud around in the southeast first thing, but that will tend to break up. But later on in the day, you can see this cloud coming in from the near continent. That will come back into the southeast. Temperatures very similar to what we're looking at today, 15 to 18 or even 19 degrees. Then as we head on into Friday, we start to see a bit of a change in that we're going to have a bit more cloud coming in across central and eastern areas. The wind's going to strengthen out towards the west ahead of this weather front, and this is the one that later will bring some rain into western parts of Northern Ireland. These are our temperatures, 15 to about 17 degrees. And a very quick look at what's happening beyond that. We've got the weather front continuing to come in, but it's going to weaken and it will start to slide northwards. So if you're in the southeast, it's likely to stay dry. So as we head on into the new working week, well, we're looking at settled conditions returning. John and Sal.
Carol, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks.